Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Goricher token. Now this is a combination between Gorilla and Goricher, I guess. This token is being listed tomorrow on a central exchange, brand new listing starting August 16th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto. Now, this token here is getting listed tomorrow, August 16th at 2 p.m. UTC time on a central exchange called Bitmart. And this is their primary listing, it says here. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Bitmart account, you could find Bitmart on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or you can get it on your PC. You would download Bitmart, and then you would go into the trade section. You would search Goricher, which is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. And after you fund your account with USDT, of course, because that's what it's paired with, and then you would trade your USDT for the Goricher token on Bitmart there. It's pretty straightforward. So it says, we're thrilled to announce the exclusive primary listing of Goricher on Bitmart. So this is a new tweet here from Bitmart, and it has a link to Goricher's Twitter, which I'm going to put right up here, at Goricher_coin. Over there you could find their webpage, which is goricher-gorilla.com. They have a white paper on their webpage. They have a Discord. Looks like they may have a LinkedIn here as well. I'm not sure if that's theirs, but they also have their BSC scan on here. So it says one holder so far. So basically this is their initial listing. There's like no holders yet. There's an insane amount of tokens. Like this might even be the biggest amount of tokens I have ever seen in my life. So there is, I'm not going to read this out because this is insane, but it goes 999, 999, 999. It just keeps going all nines. But there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's got at least 9 commas on there. So whatever number that is an insane max supply of tokens. I seriously don't believe I've ever seen that amount of tokens before, that much of any token. That is insane. I don't know why there's so many, but okay, like it's the most amount of tokens you could possibly have, I guess. Maybe that's their shtick. Now, there's 18 decimal places on this token. So, introducing Goricher, it's a public blockchain platform that is aimed to be a decentralized application development platform with a multi-asset ledger and variable smart contract. Goricher runs on proof-of-stake consensus protocol. The primary cryptocurrency of Goricher is called Goricher, of course, and has a scalable solution with the highest transaction capacity of 70,000 transactions per second in a single sidechain. And in the future team will add more sidechains so that the millions of transactions can be easily done in 1 second. It has created its own Layer 1 proof of work and Layer 2 proof of stake solution for faster transactions and lower fees forever. So Goricher strives to solve the scalability and usability problem while not compromising on decentralization, and leveraging the existing developers community and ecosystem in its off sidechain scaling solution for existing platforms to provide scalability and superior user experience to dApps and user functionalities. It's got the tiniest print ever on their paper. The Goricher is an adapted implementation of the Plasma framework of POW to start with, but the vision of the Goricher development team is to provide off-sidechain scaling solutions for blockchains in general. Goricher Foundation intends to provide the Goricher wallet, payment APIs and SDKs, products, identity solutions, and other enabling solutions that will allow developers to design, implement, and migrate dApps built on the base platform like EVM-based blockchain. One of the key pillars that form the basis of Goricher's ideology is the improvement of user experience. This area is poorly developed for blockchain applications. As of now, the Goricher development team has already built high-quality user experience mobile web browser libraries, which will enable businesses to create real-world and user applications on a larger scale. The development roadmap of Goricher also includes supporting cross-chain transfers and third-party decentralized exchanges, liquidity pools, etc. So, as you can see, it looks like a meme coin because it's got a crazy name, it's got a gorilla, and it's got an insane amount of tokens. But then when you click on it, click on their white paper, it is an insanely long white paper. Eventually they're going to have games, they're going to have their own wallet, they have this sidechain, they have so much stuff involved here. They have the Goricher virtual machine, RVM. Potential use cases is many. Of course, they have frequently asked questions where you could read about security, transactions, network economics, staking, bridging, user experience, identity numbers, lending and credit scoring platform, like so much stuff on here. The block producer layer, BPlay, and then it says, in particular, it is highlighted that the Goricher token, and it has a whole section on the tokens here. I don't know if you can click on this yet. Seems like that's going to be available soon, but yeah, there is a buy now button on their page that just takes you to the BSC scan for now, but their primary listing is on Bitmart, and that's going to happen tomorrow. And then I'm sure they will, since this is a Binance Smart Chain token, head over to other things like PancakeSwap in the future and maybe some more centralized exchanges after that. But go check out Bitmart's Twitter. Go check out Goricher's Twitter that I'm going to put up right here. And then go check out their webpage, which is, let's see here, what was their webpage again? Now I lost it, of course. Goricher-gorilla.com. That's not listed on their Twitter there, but that's where you're going to go to find all their info. Goricher-gorilla.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, and crypto can be very volatile, so always do your own research, but leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.